as I was going over Silgary Mountain. I spied Colonel Farrell and his money he was counting. First I drew me pistol and then I drew me rapier, saying stand deliver, for I am your ball receiver. Well, she didn't do that down. Waffle the daddy-o, walk out the daddy-ho, whiskey in a jar.
You're dirty now, the
Counts out his money, and they may have bread a penny. I put in my pocket to take home to Dolly Jenny. She sighed and swore she loved me, and never would deceive me. But the devil take the woman, for they always lie so easy. Well, she didn't do that down. Call the daddy-o. Well, the daddy-ho's a whiskey in a jar. I went to my chamber, all for to take a slumber, to dream of golden girls. Of course it was no wonder. Jenny took me charges, and she filled them up with water. Colored and fall together, ready for the slaughter. Well, she didn't do that. What for the daddy-o? What for the daddy-o's a whiskey in a jar.
You dirty naughty cats. You're dirty naughty cats.
Next morning, early before I rose to travel, there came a band of footmen like as wise Colonel Farrell. I goes to draw me pistol, for she stole away me rapier. But the prisoner was taken, I couldn't shoot at the water. Well, she didn't do that down. What for the daddy-o? Well, for the daddy-o's a whiskey in a jar. They put me into jail with a charge only writing for robbing Colonel Farrell on a Silgary Mountain. But they didn't take me fist, so I gnawed the jelly down and bid the farewell this time fist the town. Well, she didn't do that down. What for the daddy-ho? What for the daddy-ho's a whiskey's in the jar. They put me in the judge, I like to find me brother. I don't know where he is stationed in court or in Killarney. Together we go roving over the mountain of Kilkenny, and I swear he will treat me better many a sporting journey. Well, she didn't do that down. What for the daddy-ho? What for the daddy-ho's a whiskey in the jar.